Are you ready to enhance your delivery and expand your business? Discover how ShipBob transforms fulfillment. ShipBob is a leading global partner with over 60 fulfillment centers in the US, Canada, Europe, and Australia. They ensure fast, reliable shipping. Partnering with ShipBob optimizes your delivery. Thousands of brands trust their comprehensive fulfillment services, gaining real-time inventory control and custom shipping options. Here's how ShipBob works. Connect your store and send products to ShipBob. Your inventory is stored securely. When a customer orders, ShipBob picks, packs, and ships directly. ShipBob improves efficiency with data-driven center recommendations, enhancing delivery speeds and cutting costs. Their inventory placement program helps manage stock for fast-growing brands. They support both DTC and B2B fulfillment. Connect e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and Walmart for smooth order management. ShipBob guarantees great delivery experiences with fast options and personalized touches. Enhance customer satisfaction with custom packaging and quick shipping from local centers. As your brand expands, ShipBob simplifies international shipping. Their network streamlines global logistics while focusing on customer experience. Need help? ShipBob's dedicated support offers expert onboarding and real-time assistance tailored to your needs. Don't take our word for it. Hear from satisfied customers. Brands like Pet Lab Company and Our Place have gained savings and efficiency improvements with ShipBob. It's time to elevate your fulfillment strategy. Request a quote today and connect with a fulfillment expert. Experience the difference with ShipBob and scale your business.